Hello, my name's Graham Palmer. I'm the Aston Martin St Athan Facility Project Manager. Of all the locations we reviewed, this was a location of choice. It's a very good location logistically. We found it to be very good from the recruitment aspects as well. We found a lot of skilled labour locally. Yes, we have had a very successful partnership with a local construction company, T. Richard Jones, and ultimately we will be creating 750 jobs for the local area. We found the Sell2Wales site and the processes to be very good, an excellent procurement tool in fact. And it's an ideal for selecting suppliers, and also it's good for suppliers to be able to be part of a database. Also, you're able to create your own account, you have your own space, you can go in, it's easy to control the contracts that you're currently advertising for, it's easy to pick up the tenders, it's a secure way with a post box, it works very well. We found the Sell2Wales site very easy to navigate, and what I liked about it in particular, because I was the controller, was it was very easy to set security levels for all the people who wanted to use the site. Yeah, we found it very easy to review the availability of local suppliers, and we were able to get the request for quotations out to them. We got the tenders back on time. We found it very good. It was very, administratively, it was very easy to use. Initially, we had to do it through Odoo, and to be honest, that was a new process to us. And it was only by virtue of the fact we were able to use the Sell2Wales, which led us down the right path to follow to be able to select the correct supplier. Yeah, we found it very easy to work with Welsh Government, and the training was excellent. When we requested it, it was available, and it made the process far easier afterwards. Yeah, we found the quick quotes particularly useful, where you didn't have to do so much form filling. If you wanted to generate a quick quotation, that was. It does work very well.